Hi guys, this is Mashal Arif and today we've got this exciting opportunity to visit Shumaim Hunain, who's an avid reader and blogger, and she's going to review us her favorite books. Let's go.
Hi guys, this is Shumaim Hunain and this is my library. So I'm going to find 3 of my favorite books, and first one is Gone with the Wind. So the second book is The Count of Monte Cristo and it's written by Alexander Dumas. And the third one is The Brothers Karamazov and it's written by Fyodor Dostoevsky. So you guys must have heard of the question, if you were stranded on an island, what book would you take with you? For me, that would definitely be The Count of Monte Cristo because it's basically a really long book. It's 1300 pages and it took me almost a month to finish this because it's very long, but it's a beautifully written book and it's basically about a man who seeks revenge on a few people who've basically ruined his life. So basically the protagonist of the book is a man called Edmund who is wrongfully sent to prison by a bunch of jealous men, and he spends almost 14 years in a gloomy dungeon and finally he escapes and he finds treasure in an island called Monte Cristo, hence the name, and he seeks revenge on the people who have wronged him. So I think everyone loves a good revenge book. So for me, it was a very enjoyable read because it's really nice how he gains wealth and finally goes and does what he's longed to do in jail. And he finally he thinks he will seek peace, but that's the lesson that eventually even revenge doesn't really help, and you just have to make peace with things. So basically my second favorite book is Gone with the Wind and it's written by Margaret Mitchell. And it's a classic love story about a girl named Scarlett, and basically I think it takes a lot of guts to make your main character such a selfish and spoiled person with no redeeming qualities whatsoever. And the book also has another main character in it who is Red Butler, and personally I enjoyed the book mostly because of him. It's a love affair between Scarlett and Red Butler, and how she does not value his feelings for her till the very end. So basically I would recommend this book to everyone because it's super engaging. I read this book in 2 or 3 days because it was just so entertaining for me. Especially it's a love story that every girl would probably love to read. The last book that I'll be reviewing is The Brothers Karamazov, written by Fyodor Dostoevsky, and he's a Russian writer. So basically there are a lot of Russian names which can be a little frustrating, to be honest, because they're really hard. I have bookmarks on this book because this book requires a lot of attention and focus because it's very detailed, so you need to know the characters well. It's about a man named Fyodor and his 4 sons, and the rivalry and the love affairs between all of them. There are certain love triangles in the book. So this book is really well written and the prose is beautiful, so I would recommend it to everyone who enjoys a really good book. So that will be all, guys. Thank you so much for coming and visiting me and giving me this opportunity to review all of my favorite books.
That was it on today's episode, guys. For more book reviews, you can visit Shumaim Hunain's Instagram page that is going to be on your screens right now. And now it's my time to indulge into these books. Bye!